I'm a product avatar. Just upload one image and I'll showcase your product. No more expensive model shoots. Make video marketing faster and more effective.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Did you know that now, with the power of AI, we can promote our products without the need for a traditional model? That's right. AI technology is revolutionizing the way we create product avatars, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. Following this, you can advertise your product with amazing videos. These high-quality, lifelike videos are the perfect way to showcase your designs and grab the attention of your audience. It's called Topview AI, and I've included the link below so you can access it directly. With Topview AI, you can easily create stunning product avatars without the need for a traditional model. On the dashboard, you'll get a clear view of all the main features you can access. It's super easy to navigate and gives you everything you need to get started with Topview AI. You'll also find a variety of models available as templates. You can easily browse through them and choose the one that best suits your product, making it easier than ever to create the perfect avatar. All right, let's jump into creating a video for your product. First, I'll choose the perfect product avatar to represent it. This step is key in making sure your product stands out and resonates with your audience. They've also organized and grouped the avatars to make it super easy to find exactly what you need. Whether you're looking for avatars for specific products like vitamins, creams, or anything else, you can quickly find the perfect match. Now, let's find the best avatar that matches your product perfectly. With all the organized options, it's easy to choose the one that best represents your product's essence and appeal. And with a wide variety of avatars available, you'll have no trouble finding the perfect one for your product. There's something for every style and need, so rest assured, you'll find the ideal match. Once you've selected the avatar, simply click Replace with My Product Image to seamlessly integrate your product into the model's display. Next, add your product image. After that, it'll take just a little time for the product to be perfectly integrated into the avatar. You can also select the size of your product, adjusting it to fit perfectly. Once you're happy with the size, simply hit Confirm Product Position to finalize the placement on the avatar. Now you'll see 3 images being generated for you, showcasing your product with the selected avatar. Once the generation is complete, you can easily download the images and start creating your video right away. Keep in mind, it costs just 1 credit to download the image without a watermark. This small investment ensures you get a clean, professional image ready to use in your video creation process. Once you've selected the perfect image, simply click on Image to Video Avatar to start creating your video. This will bring your product and avatar to life. After generating the video, you'll see the lip sync feature being applied, ensuring that your avatar's movements are perfectly synced with the audio for a more realistic and professional result. Next, click on Use My Script to integrate your personalized script into the video, aligning everything with your product. You can even create this video as if you're the customer, adding a personal touch and making it more relatable. Add your script in the text box and select the subtitles if you'd like to include them. Once done, the system will generate a lip-synced video with the voice automatically matched to the avatar. Or you can choose a specific voice to customize it even further.
I've been using this incredible skincare serum, and I can already see the difference. It deeply hydrates my skin, leaving it feeling soft and rejuvenated. In just a few weeks, my skin looks brighter, smoother, and healthier. I'm so glad I found this serum, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for glowing, nourished skin.
Are you looking for that radiant, youthful glow? Introducing our luxurious serum, crafted with powerful ingredients that your skin will love. This serum is designed to deeply hydrate, brighten, and restore your skin's natural radiance. With a blend of antioxidants and nourishing vitamins, it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, leaving you with smoother, softer skin. Use it daily for glowing, healthy skin that feels as good as it looks. Let your skin drink in the goodness and experience the transformation, because your skin deserves the best. Try our serum today.
Did you know that you can create avatar videos for showcasing dresses as well? Imagine bringing your fashion designs to life with a virtual model, all without needing a physical model. Let's dive into how this technology is changing the way we showcase fashion. Find the perfect fit for your dress by matching it with the ideal avatar model. With this innovative technology, ensuring the best fit and style every time. whether it's for fashion or simply visualizing your outfit. Once you've selected your model, it's time to add your dress. Simply upload your design. Next, brush over the model's area to perfectly fit your dress. With just a few simple adjustments, the outfit will seamlessly mold to the avatar's body, ensuring a flawless fit and look every time. It's that easy to make sure your designs shine. When you click Generate, watch as your dress merges seamlessly with the model. It's an exciting moment as your design comes to life, perfectly fitting the avatar and showcasing your creation in action. See the magic happen right before your eyes. Simply click on the image to create a video. With just one click, your virtual model in the dress will come to life in motion. You can even customize the quality of your video and choose how many videos you'd like to create. Adjust the settings to match your needs. After just a few minutes, you'll be able to see the results. Watch as your design comes to life in the video. So, what do you think about the results? It's amazing to see how your dress fits perfectly on the model, bringing your design to life in just a few minutes. The details, the movement, it's all exactly how you imagined, right? I absolutely love showcasing the models I've created in these dresses. It's such a thrill to see my designs come to life, each one fitting the model perfectly and highlighting every detail beautifully. I think it's amazing, right? Seeing your designs come to life like this is truly incredible. Everything fits perfectly, and the models bring your vision to life in the most stunning way. We can easily create a video using an image, if you already have one. Just use the image to video option, and watch as your still image transforms into a dynamic video, bringing your design or concept to life. We can see it with the most natural look. The image to video option brings your design to life, creating realistic motion that perfectly matches the natural flow and fit of your dress. Topview AI gives us countless ways to create stunning videos for our products. Whether you're using images, links, or other resources, the possibilities are endless to bring your product to life in dynamic and engaging ways. When we talk about prices, you'll find that there are great options available, with prices that perfectly match the value of your product. Now, you can try Topview AI for free. It gives you 10 credits every month so you can explore its powerful features and see how it works for your business. Topview AI offers both yearly and monthly subscription plans, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Topview AI offers a great deal with the starter pack. If you choose the yearly subscription, it's only $9.90 per month. But if you prefer to try it out monthly, it's just $19 per month. Whether you're looking for flexibility or a long-term solution, Topview AI has the perfect plan for you. And don't forget, new users get 50% off their first subscription. I've included the link in the description for those who are new to Topview AI. By registering today, you can get 50% off your first subscription. Plus, you'll receive 10 free credits every month to explore all the powerful features of Topview AI. Previously, the subscription was $19 per month, but now you can get it for only $9.50 per month. That's a 50% discount for new users. I've added the link in the video description. Register through that link and get 50% off your first subscription. Plus, you'll find the coupon code in the description to save even more. Whether you choose the monthly or yearly plan, this is your chance to try out Topview AI at a special price. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching. This video covered how to create a product avatar using AI. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content and tutorials. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way.